Installation instructions for Mojo skins. First, gather everything you need to properly install the laptop skin. You will need a moist paper towel, some tape, a pair of scissors, an X-Acto knife or a blade, your Mojo skin, and of course, your computer. First, prepare your laptop by using the moist paper towel to clean the top. Make sure that it's free and clear of dust and any dirt particles. Once it is clean and dry, position the Mojo skin over the top and begin aligning it from the bottom up and make sure that it's centered from both sides. Once it's been properly aligned, take a piece of tape and place it on the bottom center of the Mojo skin and wrap it around the bottom of the computer to ensure that it doesn't move during application. If there is excess skin over the top edge of the computer, use a pair of scissors to trim off the excess. Once that has been done, place another piece of tape onto the top center of the skin and around to the bottom of the computer to lock it in place. Next, lift the Mojo skin from one side and peel off the backing, cutting it off at the center point. Now it's time to begin the smoothing process. Take your credit card and smooth out the Mojo skin from the center to the outside using short strokes. If it creases or bubbles in the process, don't worry, you can lift it back up and continue the smoothing process. Once the first side is done and secured, remove the tape and backing from the other side and repeat the smoothing process all over again. Once it's completely installed, you can use a blade or utility knife to trim around the corners if necessary. Also, smooth the edges down along the side of the laptop with your fingers to smooth everything out.